Hey guys, Mark George here from the block at Keller Williams. We've got an event coming up here tomorrow, and I figured I would just share a little bit about that because we've got a pretty full RSVP, but we've got a couple of seats that we've opened up here. And this might be of interest to you. I'm going to share the models that we're using to invest today. We are going to have our entire roster of vendors there between attorney, title, lending, really everything that's involved in acquiring and managing one of these properties, our property manager. And it's going to be a good time. We're going to have a few refreshments. We're going to learn a little bit together. We're going to network together. We're going to discover some new ways to invest together. And it's going to be something fun. And I wonder if you might be interested in coming in and learning a little bit and meeting some new people. Should that be the case, then go ahead and sign up as RSVP. There's no charge for this event. Just looking forward to meeting some new people and continuing relationships with others. So we hope to see you. And otherwise, have a great rest of your day.